In this guide, I'm going to show you how to get Google Play Point. Intro. First things first, go ahead and join the program by opening up the Google Play Store, tapping on your profile picture up in the top right, scrolling down and selecting Play Points, and then from here hit join for free right here. But after you do join, you can earn points just by buying eligible apps, games, books, subscriptions, or any in-app purchase or in-game items through Google Play. Purchases do have to be made before you joined, or actually technically after you joined, because anything before you joined will not get points, but you can also earn extra points through limited time promotions by going to your profile, and then you could select Play Points, and then you can open up the Earn tab to see any available offers, boosted earning rates, and so much more. Now, the higher you rank, like silver members, for example, and higher can get perks as well to claim weekly prizes, which is super cool. But to check your total, go ahead and return to the Play Points, open up your earning rate increases as you get higher Play Point levels. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.